Okay. Okay, so let's look at on-chain, off-chain, and side-chain. So on-chain, transactions that happen on and are recorded within their own blockchain. So for example, on Bitcoin, things that happen on-chain will be transactions or any other movement of Bitcoin, and they're recorded on the chain, on the blockchain itself, within the actual native blockchain, so on-chain. So you could even say things like on-chain analysis, where people will analyze, study the on-chain transaction, study things on the chain, the blockchain. Off-chain transactions that happen outside the blockchain and by swapping private keys between wallets rather than moving funds. So an off-chain transaction will be these two people want to move money, but rather than sending the money to them via on-chain transactions, they'll simply swap private keys, so that therefore each person has access to other person's wallet. No Bitcoin, no cryptocurrency was ever moved, simply the passwords were transferred from one person to another. So off-chain transactions are a little different, but that's one example. Side-chain transaction helps tokens move from one blockchain to another. Side chains help side chains reduce the processing power needed on the chain itself or off chain by making things one-off. For example, like nodes, Lightning Network, where one transaction isn't dealing with the whole chain all at once. We're dealing with the people, the person I want to send the money to. We're recording it between ourselves first, and then we're recording it on the blockchain at a later date or as soon as it's confirmed between us two. So side chains, technological alternatives that allow movement of coins without being on-chain yet. And they're different from off-chain because actual money, actual values be moved around as opposed to just passwords. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.